Hi and welcome to Blender. In today's tutorial we're going to actually figure the easy way we can actually make some steps. Now this is a quick and easy tutorial, so follow along because it's at some pace. So pressing the tab key will take us into edit mode, and what you can do is you've got point select, line select and face select. Select the line and we're going to press Ctrl and B, which actually gives us our bevel. So we've actually created our bevel, but you want to change this into some steps. I'll go on custom, and we've got some presets here, and we can actually go on steps. So we've got our steps there, and all we need to do to actually add our steps is just add in until we've got the correct amount of steps, just like that. Now what we can do now is, they don't look very real, so what we'll do is A to select all, add another bevel, Control and B, just to make these corners less sharp. Go back onto super ellipse. Of course we don't need 16 anymore, so we're going to reduce that down, and you can increase this until you've got a beveled edge on the steps, just to actually soften them edges and just make it look that little bit more real. So there you've got it, you've got your steps. Now you might think that these steps are too high or too low, and it's entirely up to you how you change these, and that's an easy thing to actually fix as well. So say I want a longer step, I'm just going to scale on the Y like that, and I've got a longer step. Or if you want a shallower step, you can just scale it on the Z like that. So you've created your steps however you want them in your scene. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a quick way, an easy way to make steps.